Hey guys, Trent here with SonarPros. Really excited to announce the new BoatLogix Switchblade mount. Now the Switchblade mount is your forward-facing transducer mount for active target transducers and Livescope transducers, LVS 32 and 34. What this mount does is it gives you that 0-degree plane to mount your transducer and ultimate flexibility between forward and perspective mode. Biggest thing for you perspective users is we've got 4.5-degree increments of change, which allows us, by flipping this transducer over to perspective mode from forward, we can go from 0 degrees, 4.5 degrees, 9 degrees, 13.5 degrees, which is going to allow you to get those really good pictures in shallow to deeper water. Big thing about this mount is it's billet aluminum, it's powder coated, it's going to last forever, and it's really adjustable on the water. Simple tension knob to lock this in so it doesn't move if you're in big water, or loosen it up so if you're in shallow water and you make contact on this transducer, it'll kick down out of place and save your transducer. Super awesome mount. Check them on our website at SonarProsElectronics.com.